Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be looking at the feasibility test in the pair trading. Feasibility test gives the feasibility of a pair on the basis of statistical models. Moving towards the tool, you have two sections. The first one is metrics and second one is chart. First, we will look into the metrics. In the metrics, you have to select a sector from which you want to make a pair. You can select your desired sector. Let's take auto as of now. Then you have to select statistical models. You can select correlation, co-integration and advanced co-integration. Advanced co-integration is concept proprietary. It is based on advancement of co-integration. Let's look correlation as of now. Then you have to select the look back period. Look back period is a period for which you want to see the correlation between a pair. Now, in matrix, you will be seeing pairs in the red, yellow, and the green. The pairs in the green indicate they have good correlation. Pair in the yellow indicate they have normal correlation, and pair in the red indicate they have low correlation. As we have taken, now we will select the co-integration model. With the help of co-integration model, you will be able to know the co-integration between a pair. The pair in the 99 indicate they have strong co-integration. The pair in the 95 indicate they have normal co-integration, and the pair with 90 value indicate they have low co-integration. While making a pair, you should always consider that the pair should have a good correlation and a good co-integration. Let's take Maruti and Eicher Motor. Clicking on a particular pair, it will take into us to the chart section. As we can see, we have taken symbol A and B, Eicher Motor and Maruti as our pair. We have taken basis on the co-integration, and our look back period is 40, and look back chart, our chart period is 250, that means of 1 year. Now, moving towards the chart, the orange chart indicates the core integration for the look back period of 40, and we have taken chart for the 250 days. The blue line indicates the ratio. It is a ratio of price of symbol A divided by the price of symbol B. Further, we also have the table view, in which we can see the date-wise co-integration and the price ratio. Moving ahead, we can also select another model. We can take correlation, advanced co-integration, and the z-score. As we can see, the orange line gives the z-score, and the blue line gives us the price ratio. Moving ahead, we can also see the return distribution, and on the right, we also have table view for all the selected models. As we have taken the z-score, we are getting data on the day wise for the z-score and the price ratio. Lastly, you can also export the data to the watch list. Thank you.